coming in from the solar panel, and now have my 2 wires ready to connect to a battery. And all we need then is to mount our inverter and plug the wires onto the battery. Here you'll see I used 2 branch adapters, allowing me to connect these solar panels in parallel, which is where you grab both positive cables from your solar panels and plug into the branch adapter, and plug your 2 negative wires together and plug them into the branch connector. So our 2 positives are together and our 2 negatives are together. I've screwed on the positive and negative cables that come from our charge controller to our battery. Now we're connected to a battery, we'll have a display on the charge controller. This will show us the solar panel on the left hand side, battery in the middle, and I haven't, but if you wanted to, you could add some 12 volt lighting on the right hand side, or 12 volt socket, which you could cable directly onto the PWT charge controller. But we'll be looking to add on an inverter connected to our battery, so we can use normal 3-pin plug sockets as well as USB ports. Cables that come with the inverter have these crocodile clips that come with it. For a more permanent basis, I didn't want to keep these crocodile clips on the battery, but I'm just plugging them on now just to test it out and make sure it works. But then I'll look to connect some thicker wires onto the battery and add some breakers in as a permanent fix. For now, I use the wires that come with it, and I can see the inverter is working. Here I have 1 plug socket, which is a cable leading to an outside external socket, another plug for the lighting, and a 12 volt cable goes to an external box, giving me 2 more USB ports. So if I'm outside, I can charge my phone or any other USB device if I want to sit out in the sun on the balcony. I plug these cables into the inverter and have them on the outside of the shed, that way I can use the sockets whilst working. Now we're going to test these sockets out. I'm going to show you them working and what other devices we can plug into these.